Hello everyone. So it's Thursday, the big announcement. Thank you guys for being here and thank you for hearing about the next chapter. Can I first say, first and foremost, how much I love teaching you guys how to worship in sign language. It means so much to me. It makes my day when I see a comment about how much you're enjoying the videos, but it makes my week when I get a message about how God has used sign language worship either to make a transformation in your own spiritual life, to rekindle a relationship. It's done a lot of amazing things in different people's lives, and I just feel so honored that God has made me a piece in some of your puzzles. So that's really amazing. Alternatively, I know there are problems with the YouTube channel. I know it's difficult to navigate. It's hard to find that information you're looking for. Hey, I also know the ads are tricky, especially if you're teaching the videos to kids. You don't really want to throw it up on your classroom or Sunday school room when you're not exactly sure what those ads are going to show. I know that some people are getting overwhelmed when they get there and there's so much and they're not sure where to start. Because I can see in Google Analytics that some people subscribe and then never find their way back. So today's a big announcement is that we are starting a membership site called Sign Language Verses that's going to teach you guys how to use sign language in order to memorize scripture. And I am just really, really excited about it. And today I'm asking if you will be founding members of that website. So the great benefits of a website is that it's nice and organized content. It's going to give a very clear path on where to start and where to go next in your learning process. It's going to be ad-free. It'd be really nice if you want to use it in your classroom or Sunday schools. It's going to have community. So one of the problems with the website is that it's all like this. You can tell me something and I can tell it to you, but I just love the idea of a circle, right? That we're together and that you can share some of your amazing stories if you're willing, not just with me, but with the group. And I think that would just be amazing if it could feel a little more like we're learning together. And then another thing that the website can have is Ask the Expert section. So I'm actually not a licensed sign language interpreter. And I sometimes get stuck on stuff that I would really love an answer to. So the great thing about having a membership site is that we can kind of pool those resources and we can hire a sign language interpreter to come and have those Ask the Expert sessions, and we can hear from them exactly how we should handle a situation that we're a little stuck on. Okay, and then finally, the great thing a website can have is a better system for requests. I don't know exactly what that would look like, but I know what we're doing right now isn't quite working. So I'm excited about that prospect. So what does being a founding member mean? It means that you are purchasing your membership and you're joining before a website is even made. Okay, so it's like I'm getting in at the beginning and I'm gonna make this happen, not just for me, but for everyone coming behind me. And I just think that that's pretty amazing. Okay, what else? You get to have input and you get to have a say about what the website looks like, what's included, what's not. And for our first 50 founding members, that's going to determine our first 50 verses, because as a founding member, I'm going to let you request your favorite verse and I'm going to make a tutorial for it. And then you can choose whether or not I do a shout out to you on the video or if we just keep it our little secret. But you can know that forever that verse has a tutorial, and that is because of you. Being a founding member also means that you're just pretty darn awesome, because you are committing to having this not only for you, for other people as well, for the people coming behind you, which I think is really great. And last but not least, being a founding member means a big old discount is my thanks to you. So if you join us in becoming a founding member, your cost will be $14 a month or $140 a year. And you're gonna stay locked in at that price as long as you remain a member in good standing. The idea is that in August, the website should be ready for only the founding members to get in there. I will try to give you guys some early access to content before then, but you can get in there, see, look around, you get there first. And then in September, we're gonna launch to the general public And at that point, the price will be somewhere in the 20s, I would think. We don't have that quite worked out. So it is a pretty substantial discount to get started now. Okay, so if you have any more questions, I hope that you'll put them in the comments. If you don't need any more questions answered, you just say, I am in. Put that in the comments, or you can send me an email if you'd prefer that. You can send me a direct message in Facebook. There's lots of ways to get a hold of me. So you just let me know however you like to, and then I will send you that payment information. So we have more information coming in the next few days. Tomorrow I'm actually going to do a tutorial for the verse that inspired it all and tell you the story of how that came to be. And then day 3, there's some other cool stuff coming. So if you're ready, sign up now. And if not, know that the deadline to sign up is Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time is the deadline. So I hope wherever you guys are, you are healthy and you are well, and that I'll see you soon. Bye.